On August 5, 2025, cloudburst occurred in a small village named Dharali of Uttarkashi district. Due to cloudburst, drainage named Kheergarh present in Dharali faced landslides, results in flash floods. Now understand one by one cloudburst, landslide and flash flood. What is cloudburst? It is localized but intense rainfall of 10 cm or more in an hour over a roughly 10 to 30 km square area. Or you can say 5 cm rainfall for half an hour over the same area can also be classified as cloudburst. It is common in mountainous area, especially in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Kerala and Karnataka due to presence of Western Ghat. Due to climate change, incidence of extreme rainfall increasing not only in India but across the world. If we talk about the causes of cloudburst, it can be classified under 5 headings. First is orographic lifting. What is orographic lifting? When warm, moisture-laden air rapidly rises, cools and condenses into dense cloud, it results in cloudburst. Example, 2013 Kedarnath incident in which Himalayan region steep terrain accelerates orographic lifting, causing heavy rainfall. Second is localized low pressure zone. In high altitude region, low pressure area develops which attract moisture-laden wind leading to heavy cloud formation which also results cloudburst like we have seen in 2020 in Himachal Pradesh. Third is saturation of air. As we all know that air holds moisture, but when moisture holding capacity of air reach its saturation point, any small sudden atmospheric disturbance leads to excessive rainfall which can also result cloudburst. Fourth point, atmospheric instability. Like when warm moist air collides with cooler air pocket, it creates unstable atmospheric condition, triggers cloudburst like we have seen in 2014 Jammu and Kashmir cloudburst. Fifth is most important reason of cloudburst due to which cloudburst become frequent, which is global warming and climate change. 2024 marked a grim milestone as global temperature reaches 1.5 degree threshold first time. The increased temperature enhanced the moisture level in atmosphere, making cloudburst more frequent and intense. Now, the first consequence of cloudburst is landslide. Landslide is a downward movement of rock, soil, debris on a slope due to gravity. It is a form of mass wasting of earth material. If we talk about the landslides prone area in India, it is 12.6% of land, with the northeastern Himalaya, northwestern Himalaya, western Ghat, eastern Ghat and Konkan region are most affected. Example, in 2013, Kedarnath landslide causes over 5,700 deaths. In 2021, Chamoli landslide also come with disaster. In 2024, Wayanad, Kerala faces significant landslide. Now, the last consequence of cloudburst, or can say the consequence of landslides, which is flash flood. What is flash flood? It is sudden increase in water level during or immediately after intense rainfall is called flash flood. Flash flood is also highly localized and short-lived event, just like cloudburst, typically occurring within 6 hours of heavy rainfall. Apart from heavy rainfall, flash flood can also result from rapid snow melt due to sudden temperature rise, dam breaches, sudden glacial lake outburst. Urbanization is one of the important reasons of flash flood, as due to urbanization, the most of the surface of earth become impervious, which reduce the water absorbing capacity of surface. And when the heavy rainfalls happen, water runoff. Result, flash flood. IIT Gandhinagar study finds that drivers of flash flood in Indian subcontinent river basin identifies the Himalayan western coast and central India as key hotspots. In Himalayan region, steep terrain and elevation derive flood risk, while in Western coast and central India, rapid runoff, which termed as flashiness, plays key role in flash flood. Nearly 75% of flash flood result from combination of extreme rainfall and already saturated soil. But 25% of flash flood in India caused solely by extreme rainfall. As per the study, climate change may create new flash flood zones in near future because rising global temperature, increasing the temperature of atmosphere, and when the temperature of air increases, it retains more moisture. About 7% more moisture can be retained by warm air at every 1 degree centigrade rise of temperature. Our next topic will be climate change and global warming. Subscribe the channel for more such updates and share the video if you found it informative. Thank you.